Islamophobia is on the rise in America, but we can take steps to reduce it. For a second year, the Institute for Social Policy and Understanding and Georgetown University's Bridge Initiative measured anti-Muslim sentiment in the US using the Islamophobia Index. We analyzed the data and discovered 4 ways to reduce Islamophobia. 1. Build coalitions with other impacted communities. Among the strongest predictors of lower Islamophobia are favorable regard for Black Americans, Jews, feminists, and LGBTQ+ individuals. And out of all the faith and non-faith groups we measured, Jewish Americans showed the lowest level of Islamophobia, besides Muslims themselves. In fact, our research shows that a majority of Jews have positive views of Muslims. Islamophobia is just one branch on a bigger tree of bigotry. So combat Islamophobia in coalition with other impacted communities, and work to end racism and religious bigotry more generally. Working together to end all bigotry will end Islamophobia too. 2. Keep demystifying Islam. Knowing at least something about Islam is linked to a lower score on the Islamophobia Index. And knowing something about Islam is an even stronger predictor of lower Islamophobia than is knowing a Muslim personally. Reducing Islamophobia requires more than just making Muslim friends. So educate others about the faith that unites Muslims. 3. Do more than interfaith bridge building. Our data suggests that Islamophobia is more about politics than religion. Someone's personal political beliefs and partisan leanings are predictors of Islamophobia, but how religious they are is not. Our analysis finds that Democratic Party affiliation and liberal political ideology are correlated with lower levels of Islamophobia. ISPU data suggests it is important to reach out to diverse groups and communities across racial, class, political, and cultural divides, to people of all faiths and no faith, rather than just those typically involved in interfaith engagement who tend to be white and middle class. Finally, make Muslim friends. Knowing someone who is Muslim is linked to lower levels of Islamophobia, and when that Muslim person is a close friend, levels of Islamophobia are even lower. Simply knowing a Muslim cuts a person's likelihood of holding unfavorable views of Muslims in half. The biggest improvement in someone's opinion of Muslims results from simply knowing a Muslim. 3 in 4 Jews know a Muslim, and about half of the general public know a Muslim. But only about 1 in 3 white evangelicals know an American who is Muslim. Create opportunities for face-to-face human interaction between people of different religious and cultural backgrounds while cooperating for the greater good. Islamophobia is bad for all Americans, Muslim or not. These data-driven solutions can help us ensure Islamophobia has no oxygen, making a safer, more inclusive America for us all. To learn more about how to combat Islamophobia, visit ispu.org/poll. Be a friend. Share the facts.